Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Big Al. We've got a challenge locking device and it's got a bit of a funny story to it. I'll tell you in a second here. It is called Experimental by TinMan13. Heck of a challenge lock. Absolutely fantastic. The thing is I already know this thing inside and out. I've already unmummied the key and seen it. I've had this thing picked, gutted on camera. I accidentally deleted it, so I'm having to do it again. So here we go again. Yeah, I was recording another pick video, or trying to, and had a couple of fails, so I deleted the stuff and completely forgot that I had this one still on the memory card. So I wiped it. I wiped it clean. Yeah, really chapped my hide because this thing whipped me badly. It's just gnarly. There's 2 or 3 pins that are like several. I mean, there's pieces in here. If I get it open, and hopefully I will, and get it gutted again, you will see it's just, I mean, he put a lot of work into the pins on this thing. Also, I've learned that you got to kind of use light tension because of that. There's multi-piece pins and they'll really bind up on you real quick. So let me try and get, let me come in a little bit, I guess. That's better. Let's see if we can't get it open again. Little binder already on one. Couple little clicks there. Feels like maybe, let me see, 1, maybe 2. Counter rotation. Got a little click. Feels like 1 dropped. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Felt like 5. Yeah, you got to just kind of tease them into place, man. I think this feels like 3. Give me counter rotation. It might have set. It's really hard to tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the one in the back's not quite set yet. Let me use a slightly taller hook from Sparrows. Alright, I think it felt like it set that time. So that would have been 6, I think. 4. 3. 1. 2. Not feeling it. Not feeling it. Let me try a different, this flat top Peterson hook. Short hook, I think it's called. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might have something overset already. 1, 2 for sure. I got a slight turn, but it doesn't mean a whole lot. Looks like right here. 2. Okay. One counter rotation, I think. Yeah. You just got to kind of tease them into place. Got a slight more of a turn when I hit 5. Not sure where I'm at here. 1 again. Yeah. 2. Not sure. 1, 2. Yeah, maybe. Yep. 3, 4. Feels like 5 dropped. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not getting it high enough. I'm going to try the gem. See if I need to get in the back a little better. Yeah, when I realized that I deleted this thing, I was, oh, what a letdown. Okay, it feels like 6 at that time. Not sure, there's something holding me up here. Don't know what. 2, let's see, 3. Maybe here at 4. 5. Pretty crunchy. It may be right here at 4. Not sure. Trying to finesse that number 5 in the back there. Feels like it's set. Yeah, there's something holding me up here. Guess that's pretty obvious, huh? Huh, might have something overset. I must. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. counter on 6. Okay, it feels set, but we'll see. Huh. It's a tough lock, but I don't think it was this tough. I'm just overdoing something, I think. 3. Alright, nice false set. 2, 3, 4. Got more of a turn on the core. More of a turn on the core. It's slowly going. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's an open. It's just stuck on the vise in the back. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, I'll show you. See, the cam was stuck on the vise, so we got her. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Like I said, I had already done this, and I absolutely screwed it up and deleted it. Just awful. Just awful. Okay. Now I'll show you what I was talking about. The multi pieces in this thing. It's just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. The work that went into it. Now my hands are all shaky because I got it again. Yeah, it's just and this, like I said, I've seen it already because I've already got it open before. It does work. So it's very much open. Fair enough. Lock it back up. I don't remember how easy this went in. That's not going in. Alright, we're gonna have to try to go with that. I hope I don't ruin it twice. I will not do this one again. I'm telling you, it was a doozy the first time, and this time. I just hope this works. Yes, okay. Whew. Oh, this lock has been my nemesis. Okay, beautiful. Let's get it open here. Let's get it done here. 2. 6 pins. Oh, really creative. I will get a close-up on all this after we get into it. The core is threaded in 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 and 6 are standard on the core. Okay. Let's see. I know this is Gonna be a long one, so I'm gonna bust through this. I'll get them laid out, and then we'll show them off. Because that's a two-piece. Yep, that's a two-piece. At least a two-piece. We'll get them laid out. Alright, number three. Number three is a two-piece too, I think. Yep. That's a two-piece. There's a whole bunch of pieces. Like I said, he got very, very creative with this beast. That might be a one-piece there. Gnarly T-pin action going on right there in number 5. And there's the last two-piecer. I think that probably went that way, if I remember right. Oh, there's the, okay, that's the one. Three-piece pin right there. Yep. Okay, the core. Everything's threaded in the core. The whole, or the Bible part, top part, everything's threaded. It feels like it. Yeah. Okay, I know this is getting lengthy, so let's get at it. Make some light over this way a little bit. Yeah, buddy. I got them all separated, I think. That's a one-piece. That's a two-piece. That's a two-piece. That's a one-piece. That's a three-piece. Okay, yeah. All right, again, that was experimental. Oops. Experimental by TinMan13. Thank you so much. Freaking awesome lock. Let me get in it. Okay, as you can see, key pin number 1's a standard. 2, we'll call that serrated. 3, serrated. Almost spool-like because it's pretty deep. 4, serrated. 5, again, almost spool-like because it's really deep. 6, same thing. It's got like a reduced diameter on the top, and then it's kind of spool-like in the middle. Set pins or top pins, we got a two-piece. We got a sleeve that travels up and down on this pin right here with a serration on the top of it. Number 2, I'd call that I guess serrated. It's almost spooly though because it's wide and deep. This one here, two-piece, again, a sleeve floating on a pin. 4, that's a one-piece pin, but it's got many aspects to it. Reduced diameter here, almost a spool here. Serration up top. This one here, number 5. Oh, it is one piece. Okay, I thought that was another two-piece. But I mean, it's reduced like a spool here, and then T-pin at the end of it here, the working end. And then 6 is actually a three-piece. It's got a little pin that sticks in this center sleeve that's serrated. This one floats around on this end. This one floats around on that end. And the springs do vary, as you can see. I'm not really seeing a pair to them, so they're all pretty much different. So freaking awesome lock. Like I said, this is the second time I had to do it on camera. I will not delete this one. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Big Al, signing off.